Omukuzi w'olukiiko lw'eggwanga olukulu Anitamo akubiriza minisita avunaanyizibwa ku by'ensimbi okwanguya nga batematema embalirira y'eggwanga ey'omwaka gw'ebyensimbi ogujja 2024-2025. Ono ategeeza nti kano ke kadde ak'okulowoozebwako ku mbalirira y'eggwanga nga gavumenti bw'eteekeddwa okwanja ebbago ng'omwaka guno tegunnaggwako. Ono era akubiriza abazadde okufaayo ku nsonga z'abaana abakomawo mu luwummula.
Parents out there, you need to urge your children to be in communities that are desirable, not just leaving children outside there. Children should be in a safe and secure places.
Sipiika era akonyeeko ne ku butemu obwagudde Ntinda mwannyinaze w'omumyuka w'omulodi Tori Nyanjula mwe yattiddwa.
In the suburbs of Ntinda, that is Kampala, where 2 lives were lost. Aware that security is vital precondition for a meaningful social economic activity, I want to urge the security agencies to effectively tackle this criminality and bring those people to book.
Mu lutula lwe lumu omubaka omukyala akiikira abantu b'e Butambala Aisha Kabanda ayanjudde olugoye lwe olwayuzibwa awamu n'okunnyonnyola ebyaliwo olutuulo olwasembayo okutuula era ng'ayagala sipiika anoonyereze ku ebyo ebyaliwo.
We went to the shops to buy something. This tearing is at the breast part. At the breast part. If someone tears a dress at the breast part, by this time you can wonder where my breasts were. A Muslim woman who covers herself and only leaves out the face and the palm. This dress was also torn from the lower part at this point. All the thighs were spread out. Right, Honourable Speaker, why I want to lay this on the table is for you to direct an investigation on who are the people that laid hands on me in a way that was so dehumanizing.
Obula sipiika yeeganye okuba ng'alina ky'amanyi ku biki ebyaliwo era n'awa omubaka amagezi ku kiki ekisaanidde okukolebwa wabula asaasidde omubaka Kabanda ku ebyo ebyamutuusibwako.
In the last sitting that I did suspend members, and when I suspended the members, I did not order for any arrest of any person. I suspended the members, they left. And what Honorable Aisha can do is to bring a substantive motion to that effect on what happened that day. You don't have to lay because you need a substantive motion on that.
Ensonga ya sipiika okwogera ebigambo ebisosola mu Mawanga Bwa Ssenyonyi ayanjudde Obujulizi bw'alowooza nti sipiika asaana okwetonda wabula buno sipiika abweyyemu amazzi.
Knowing that you made remarks which were tribal in my view, I thought, who am I to be challenged by the speaker and I don't follow through? Honorable Speaker, I have carried some evidence which I want to table. You will look at it and examine it. It's both on CD and flash disk, which has got videos.
Where is the origin of that?
Of remarks that you made.
Where is the origin?
Era alese n'obujulizi bwagamba nti bwanjula abantu abalumba Palamenti omulundi Palamenti gwe yasembayo okutuula.
CD here and a flash disk of people who raided these our chambers and manhandled people for you to examine and help us understand who were these. Because even right now, Honorable Speaker, you have said you don't know who these were. That actually worried me the most. Because you are the head of this institution, you are our leader, and our safety is to a great extent your responsibility. So if my speaker does not know who raided this place and manhandled members of parliament, I am actually very worried. And I'm hoping that, Honorable Speaker, you'll follow it up because the evidence is here, as I have tabled it, for you to follow up and help us understand. Because if my speaker doesn't know, then who knows?
Wabula obujulizi bwonna obuleeteddwa akulira oludda olwa gavumenti sipiika abweyyemu amazzi.
To go on a fishing expedition.
No, I am not.
Because when you get what is being broadcasted there, it is not what I have said. The broadcaster is broadcasting its own things. It is not. if you want, go to the Hansard. That is, go to the Hansard and get it from there, and it will be authentic. And I can assure you, once you have it and it is authentic, this country has my apology.
Luno lutuula olusoose okuva Palamenti lwe yasembayo okutuula omwali n'okukuba ababaka era n'okuyimiriza ababaka abasoba mu 10 entuula za Palamenti 3 Palamenti weddiddemu nga bingi ebyakyusiddwa mu kifo ewatuulwa Palamenti omuli ne Sipiika watuula awamu n'ennambika ey'abantu bonna abagenyi ssaako n'abalala abatuula mu Palamenti eno. Yisa Kigongo kulwa Channel 44 Oleggulo.